Hello all. Again, I'm coming with the new topic that is structure, HTML structures. So basically in HTML, this is the most important thing that how in which way you create your structure or the layout of the HTML. So in this session, we are going to explain you that what kind of structure HTML provides and what kind of structure tags they have. So they have very meaningful tags, like we can call them as semantic tags. And what does it mean by semantic tags? So the tags which tells the screen reader that what is the usage of this tag. So we can start with a couple of tags like I'm using the first one, which is like header. Okay, so we have header tag. Okay, if we have header tag, obviously we'll be having the footer as well. So there is a footer tag. So whatever we are writing into the header, that will be working as in header, and similarly for the footer. Okay, so so these are the content which are the can be apart from the website, and you have your main thing in this main tag. So these are the tags are introduced into the HTML5, which are the semantic tags. Okay, so now the most important thing of this session is the structure. So how, in what way we structure the tags? So we can use a tag which is table. Okay, so let me create a table. To use a table, we have tag that is table, and in every table we have two things. uh, let's say one thing, that is table row. So we can create multiple rows in a single table. Okay, so in a table we created a table row by using a tag table tr. Okay, and in every tr or table row we have table data, which is td. Okay, so this is td. Okay, so in this, let's say we are having the logo of the organization. Okay, and let's create one more td. Okay, here we can have the menu bar. Okay, so here we can have the menu bar, so we can use a nav tag, which is again a semantic tag that will save navigations. Okay, so here we can use ul and li. What's the full form of these? ul and li, unordered list and list item. Okay, in this I'm going to have anchor. I know that I'm, just getting a lot of things, a tag into a tag, but I think that you are now comfortable using these kind of things. Okay, so let's say index.html, which home page. Similarly, we can create multiple pages like media. We have form. Okay, so here we can write media, form. So these kind of pages we have already created and we can now use here. Okay, so this how we have created the navigation. Let's save this and now run. So it's looking like this. But if you want to see the borders of these table, so there is a obsolete attribute of the table tag, which is border and 1 pixel of the border. So it will provide two borders, one for the table and one for the table data. Let's see this like here. Okay, so that's how it's working. So see, it is not taking the entire width of the body. So for that we can provide the width attribute, and we can write that width equals to 100%, because it is not a block element, it's not taking the 100% width, so we can manually do it. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, so that's how we created the header. And now let's say this logo is aligned to left, so there is one more obsolete attribute, but still we are using just to look our execution better. So align center, so we are using align center, and the logo is at the center. So this is how you can basically structure your header. So this is how we completed this header, and we can also write the comments like header the page. We can basically give the comments like this. So this way in HTML we can provide the comments as well. So again, this was the header. Okay, let's come to the main. So here we can have image like on the cover. So let's say img src post media. There should be some image which can be anything. I have something like image. Yes, let's show this. So you can see image is loading on the default resolution. We need to scale it down so we can provide the width. Just 200%, and now see, yeah, we can see the entire image in the given location. Okay, so this is how we have created the header and the cover. Okay, so this can be the cover section. So now cut this and make a section, then this, which is the same, but I wanted to give a comment here like cover section, so that I can easily understand that why I use this section. So this section tag is again a new tag introduced in HTML5. I'm using it for cover. Okay, then after section we can have the basically some description of our website. So like we can say about section. Okay, so let's say about section. This is actually the comment. Now we can create a section. In this section we can provide two things. That one is h1, which will say like about us, and second thing will be the article. So anything you want to write in the paragraphs, like there is some details or there is some article which is relevant with this heading, so you can write into the article. Again, I'm using here probably. So there is some about us in the article tag, which is the new semantic tag in HTML5. I cannot write a lot of things. I can just save it. So you can see that there is some about us in the article tag. If I resize this, you can see that. Okay, so that's how we can use the article text. So this was the about us section. Now, what about the now let's come to the next section, which can be your product sections. Okay, so products section. Okay, so this actually. So here we can have a section, product section, and here we can use the h1 and say the products. Okay, and now underneath product you can have a table. White border, and you can also give the width as we have in the header. Okay, so in this table we have to create table row. Okay, so we can create any number of rows in table. Okay, so in table row we're gonna create a table data. In table data we have three things. We can have three things. Like the first one should be the image of the product. So actually I'm using the YouTube icon as a product image. this will again go to the debug functions so one I'm having the image, and then I'm having the product name, then I'm gonna there is okay, and there we gonna give a input type equals to button, which says value equals to y now. Okay, so I've created these kind of things, and I'm going to repeat these data thrice. Okay, save it. Now you can see that we have products here, so now we can see that our website is working good. And just after that, we can have one more section like contact us. Contact us, yes, we have the contact us section. And this we have this one. Say contact us. Okay, and then what we can have is the form. Give some action to the form. Index.html. Okay, now what kind of fields you want to enter from the users, and I'm just taking two things like import email, placeholder, tag, and then I'm using text area just to know about what kind of queries the user have. Then submit. And if we don't write the value of the submit button, it automatically populates as but yeah. Okay. This is how we create a form as well. Now see this form. Email address, heading, everything. Okay. So after the contact us, the last thing that we can have is footer. So in the footer section, we can have the copyright sections. So symbol, and we have the meta characters as well, like ampersand, COPY, semicolon. Using this, we can create the copyright symbol, and then we can write copyright rights 2020. Save this. Yeah, here we have the copyright section. But this is not looking good. I know that we are not working with styles, but still, there is a data, good. So I'm using an absolute attribute which is align center. Yeah, fine. So look at the header. So here you can see that we have the header at the top, we have the cover image, we have the about us section, we have the products, we have the contact us, and now we have the footer. So this is how we can create the entire website, and now you can see that we can navigate to the page, media page, back, form. So everything we have. Okay, I think you are happy working with this. Now I have a blueprint for you that we don't use table type anymore. Right? We have different types like that is just a block element, just a container. But we can structure our application using table, and that can be arranged better into the CSS, or you can say into the styling. Okay, so that will be the better for us. Thank you so much for this video.